am indeed super excited to welcome you all to another episode from Giftaseeds. And today we have something that is sweet, crunchy, and super cool carrots. Carrots are best known for long and orange roots, but we have so many varieties to grow with different colors, just like a rainbow fest. Growing carrots are a little tricky too, and the trick is growing carrots in a soft, airy soil. So, without any further delay, let's get started. This popular vegetable has a natural sweetness, especially our homegrown carrots. Mmm, yummy. Don't expect or dream to harvest perfect straight carrots, just like what we get from markets or grocery shop. It won't happen too. Ha ha ha. Just joking. Even if it's out of shape, our homegrown carrots will still taste better and special too. In general, it is said that growing carrots are very difficult. However, with a little effort, we can indeed grow many crunchy carrots from our own garden space. Carrots grows well in cool weather. Carrot seeds are pretty tiny and it's easy to sow them too. And what you're waiting for? Check out our description below and get your own crunchy carrot seeds from Giftaseeds. Once you get them, sow them directly in the soil. Just check whether your soil is loose, sandy and well drained. And make sure that the soil have no rocks, stones or even soil clumps. Keep the soil moist with frequent shallow watering. Carrots are sometimes slow to germinate. They may even take 14 to 21 days to emerge. Don't panic if they get delayed to pop up. Carrots grow well in a spot that is sunny for about 6 to 8 hours a day or with a little shade in late afternoon. Fertilize every 5 to 6 weeks. You can also sow them in a row-like fashion. Based on the variety you grow, harvest time may differ, but on an average, it takes about 60 to 80 days. Don't harvest too soon thinking you will get sweet baby carrots. Immature carrots won't be that sweet because they may not get enough time to develop their full sweetness. If the soil is very soft, you can just twist and pull the carrots out. But to be on the safer side, it is better you slightly lose the soil before harvesting. Right from our school days, we heard that carrots are good for eyes. That's true, but it don't stop there. We have more healthful ways to enjoy this elegant root veggie. Carrots promotes healthy vision, balance your blood sugar, helps with weight management, regulates blood pressure, improves our immunity and yes, it also boosts up our brain health. Wow, carrots are really crunchy and super cool to taste. Hope this is enough for today. Many such surprises are coming up one after the other in our upcoming videos. Until then, stay tuned with Gifta Seeds. If there is any queries, feel free to mention them in the comments below. And yes, if you feel it useful, do share it with your friends and family whom you care the most and to people who wish to care our nature. See you then. Bye-bye.